Your business delivered, but the client hasn't paid. You're likely thinking about small claims court. But winning in court is often a hollow victory. The shocking truth, over 80% of small claims judgments are never collected. This means the real fight isn't about winning the case. It's about actually getting paid. The court won't do it for you. There is another option focused on recovery, not just rulings, professional debt collection. But how does it compare? We're breaking down the true costs, success rates, and strategic differences to find the best path for your business. Let's start with small claims court. On paper, it seems affordable, with filing fees typically between $30 and $300. But that fee is just the beginning. The biggest hidden cost is your own time, a massive drain on your resources. You must prepare documents, file everything correctly, and then appear for hearings, often waiting a full day for your case. That's a full day you aren't making sales or running your company. The whole process, from filing to a decision, can take months. And it isn't for every debt. Court limits are often under $1,000, and for businesses in states like California, it's even less. So you've invested the time and the money, and you've won your case. What's next? This is where the strategy often fails. A court judgment is just a legal piece of paper stating you are owed money. It is not an order that moves funds into your account. The court system does not act as your collection agent. Once the judge rules, the burden of enforcement is entirely back on you. To get your money, you must begin another legal process, like wage garnishments or asset liens, which have their own costs. This entire adversarial process, from the lawsuit to enforcement, permanently destroys any chance of a future client relationship. It's a difficult process, but what if the law itself makes collecting on your judgment nearly impossible? We'll show you how. Given these obstacles, let's analyze the alternative strategy. Hiring a professional collection agency. Their model is different. The main distinction is the financial risk. Most commercial agencies operate on a pure contingency fee basis. This means zero upfront costs. They only take a percentage, around 15% to 50%, from the money they actually recover. If they fail, you pay nothing. Unlike the months-long court process, agencies begin work immediately. They manage all communication, freeing you to run your business. They also have specialized tools you don't, including software for skip tracing to find debtors and AI-guided communication systems. So, the financial model is low risk and they have the tools. But are they actually more effective at recovering the money? Effective collection is not just about repeated phone calls. It is applied psychology and expert negotiation. Professionals use multi-channel outreach: phone, email, letters, and SMS. They understand which channels work for different debtor types. This multi-channel approach works. Using the right digital mix can increase debtor response rates by 200 to 300%. And this is vital. Agencies know the law. They stay updated on collection regulations, protecting you from illegal actions and lawsuits. Remember we asked if the law could make a judgment worthless? In states like Maryland, garnishment rules have strict limits, making negotiation the better path. Let's put it all together. We started with the fact that 80% of court judgments go unpaid. Professional collectors exist precisely to fix that gap. Small claims court gives you a piece of paper with a high chance of failure. A collector's 30-70% recovery rate is actual cash in your bank. Think about the months a court case takes. We know that by the time a debt is 6 months past due, your chance of collecting it drops to around 50%. The court's inherent delay actively works against you, aging your debt and making it harder to collect. An agency's immediate action stops this value decay. So, the strategic choice is this. Small claims court is a high-effort, high-risk path where you pay in time and money for a judgment you likely can't enforce. Professional collection is a no-upfront risk partnership that uses specialized expertise to focus on one thing: getting your money back into your business. It's telling that the B2B debt collection market is projected to nearly double by 2030. More businesses recognize the need for a specialist. Don't confuse a legal win with a financial one. Before filing a lawsuit, analyze the true costs. The right choice protects your time, money, and your future.